Welcome to Phuket. Today, we are going into the city. We'll move through the streets, local areas, and everyday places that most visitors pass by, or maybe also not. There's a lot to see, so let's start. We start our day at Wat Chalong, the largest temple complex on Phuket, built in the early 1800s. Here, among golden statues and painted walls, stands a 60-meter chedi that holds a sacred relic, a fragment believed to be from Buddha himself. This place has welcomed generations of locals who come to meditate, pray, or seek blessings. Today, we'll walk through its halls, climb to the top of the chedi, and feel the heartbeat of Phuket beyond the beaches. Wat Chalong is not a single building. The complex is made up of several structures: a central chedi, main prayer halls, smaller stupas, pavilions, gardens, and quiet spaces for meditation. This temple is not only for tourists, it remains an active spiritual and community center where locals come to pray and meditate every day. Temple complex is located in the Chalong area on the southeast side of Phuket, about 9 kilometers from the town center. It is easily accessible and sits close to the main road connecting the south of the island with Phuket town. Now we hit the main road, but we're still in the Chalong area. Because not far from Wat Chalong, up on Knackered Hill, stands the Big Buddha, a 45-meter white marble statue that watches over southern Phuket. From here, you can glimpse views over bays, beaches, and hills of the island. The Big Buddha is one of Phuket's most famous landmarks, an icon of the island. The statue is not just a tourist attraction, it is a sacred site where people come to meditate and pray. Unfortunately, access to the Big Buddha itself is currently closed due to a landslide. Visitors can still drive up to the parking area, from where you can enjoy partial views of the statue and take in the sweeping panoramas of southern Phuket. The place truly captivated us. We stopped for a short break, as the views here are definitely worth it. Now we've moved to a completely different part of the island. We find ourselves on Monkey Hill above Phuket town. This hill, known as Khao Tosai, is home to hundreds of macaque monkeys roaming freely among paths and viewpoints. The monkeys here are completely unafraid of people. They jump through the trees, walk along the roads, and among visitors and play with one another. Some, as usual, may try to grab things. Simply put, they've grown used to humans. You need to be careful with anything in your hands, as they can move very fast, especially if it's food or water bottles. One of the monkeys even had an encounter with a frog. The frog was large, but it's hard to tell if the monkey just wanted to play or had other intentions. What's clear is that she wanted to keep the frog all to herself and wasn't willing to share it with the others. We parked scooter down the hill near the old town, hiked along steep roads until we reached a small shrine at the base, then moved higher, following the slope toward a viewpoint built in 2015. From here, the city spreads beneath us. There are an incredible number of macaques here. Be careful not to feed them, otherwise they might all rush towards you, and that's something you definitely don't want. Despite the large population of monkeys and the number of people who come here, Monkey Hill is a peaceful place. Compared to the busy city below, it offers a quiet corner for walking and observing the animals. Locals often walk or jog along the hill, using it as a small recreational spot. Now we've arrived in the heart of old Phuket town. The streets here are charming, lined with colorful houses and bustling with people. Street food fills the air with smells, creating a lively atmosphere very different from the calm of Monkey Hill. We're going to stop for a snack and try something local for the road. At night, this is what the famous Patong Beach in Phuket looks like. The area is lively with music everywhere, the sense of street food in the air, and a vibrant holiday atmosphere. Patong is truly bustling and full of energy. We came across this restaurant in Patong, which caught our attention mainly for its seafood variety. Everything is fresh, as you can see. Let's dig in. Let's enjoy the meal, and we'll see you in the next video.